Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how do you prepare Alfredo sauce. So guys, these are the ingredients which you do need. As you can see, I do have my garlic here, and I will go for the white onion, plus this is the cup of white mushrooms, but they are optional. And to prepare the sauce, I will need the butter, and here there was my chicken breast, which I've already cutted into small pieces, as you can see, and I do love the fresh parsley. Then we shall be adding cheese, which I went for Casazzura Parmigiano Reggiano. This is the type of the cheese which I will be using, plus this is the type of the pasta I will be preparing, guys. Then you will need a cream, so this is the type of the cream which I went for. So guys, if you're ready and interested, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, as you can see, this is already my water is already on, and I will be adding just a little bit of salt. Then here I will be preparing my chicken half cooked, then I'll show you the process. So guys, let's go ahead. So guys, as you can see, preparing my chicken breast, I've already put it on fire, and I'll be adding a little bit of salt. So after then I'll leave it on fire for almost 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll start to prepare the sauce. Let me just show you the procedure. So guys, as you can see, my chicken is very dry, it's getting ready, and on the left side the water is boiling. So I'll be switching off the chicken, then I'll be adding the pasta in there. So as you can see, there's the black stuff. I added my black pepper off from the camera. It's optional, but I do love black pepper. So guys, as you can see, the water is ready, and this is the type of the pasta which I will be adding in. Actually, I'll add a quart of it since we don't eat that much. So I think that's enough, or let me just add 2. Yeah, that's it. So that is the quantity of the pasta which we are going to have for lunch. So guys, as you can see, I've already took out my chicken, and it's time to add my butter. You can add however much you wish, because I do love the taste of the butter. So guys, as my butter it has started to melt, this is how much I've got. Then I'll be adding my onions. So guys, as you can see, my pasta is getting ready on the left side, and also my onions, they are turning brown. Then it's time to add my garlic, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, the garlic is getting also brown, so I'll be adding my white mushrooms, guys. So let me just wait a little bit for a few seconds. So guys, as you can see, it's time to add our mushrooms, and I do love the taste of the fresh mushrooms, though guys, it's optional. I'll be leaving this to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, then I'll be adding my cream. So guys, as you can see, my mushrooms, they are getting ready, and within just a few seconds, I guess it's time to add my chicken breast. So guys, I can't wait to test this out. So guys, as you can see, my mushrooms, they are ready. Now it's time to add my chicken breast. Then once I'm done with this, it will be time to add the cream. You just keep on mixing. Until when the chicken it turns brown too. Yeah, this looks yummy, guys. You need to try it out, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So guys, my camera went off when I was adding my cream, but this is how far I have gone. My cream looks a little bit heavy, and I'll be adding my cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. So you can add however much you feel like, because I do love the cheese. So I'll be cooking this on a low heat. As you can see, this is our sauce, how it looks like when I finish to add my cheese. So it's really very creamy, and that's how I love my sauce, because I don't want dry pasta. Then I'll be adding a little bit of parsley. I will leave my sauce to sit for 2 minutes, then I'll be taking out my pasta. As you can see, the pasta is ready. So guys, I can't wait to taste this. So guys, as you can see, the sauce is ready, and now it's time to add my pasta. So guys, make sure you mix the pasta with the sauce very well, because I do love the pasta when they are full of sauce. I hate dry pasta. So guys, mix it very well. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please, you're welcome. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please, you're welcome. Don't forget to click that red button, of course, by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video. Bisous.